everyone. I'm Mrs. Candace, and I'm so glad that you've joined me today to make a fun and tasty snack together. This will be a snack that you can enjoy at home. The snack we're going to make today are fruit parfaits. The first thing you will want to do is wash your hands. Make sure you use soap and plenty of water. You will want to make sure your table is clean also. Next, you will need to gather your ingredients. I already have mine together. You will need a small or medium clear glass. This is so you can see your parfait through the sides. You will need yogurt. You can use your favorite flavor that you like. You will also need 3 different kinds of fruit. If you only like one kind of fruit, it's okay just to have one also. You can use any kind of fruit that you like. If you don't have fresh fruit, you can use fruit from a can. You can use apricots or cantaloupe, oranges, peaches, apples, bananas, anything that you like to eat. Now, let's get started on making our parfaits. The first thing you will want to do is to cut your fruit into bite-sized pieces. Once you have your fruit cut, you're ready to assemble your parfait. Take your glass and put your first kind of fruit as your bottom layer. I'm going to use strawberries for the bottom of my parfait. I'm going to make sure they go all the way to the edge of the glass so that we can see them as we make the parfait. After putting in your fruit, you will put in half of your yogurt, and you'll put that right on top of your first layer of fruit. Next, you'll put your second layer of fruit. I'm going to use pineapple. So I will just put pineapple right on top of my yogurt. If you're using bananas or orange pieces, you can just use your fingers to put them in. After I put my second layer of fruit, I'm going to put the other half of my yogurt. So I'm layering it so it comes out looking like a fancy cake. After putting the rest of my yogurt, I'm going to put peaches for my top layer. I have a little bit of yogurt left, so I'm going to go ahead and just put it right on the top for a little bit of decoration. If you like, you can also put a little bit of granola on top to give it some crunch. This is a fun and delicious snack that you can make at home, and you'll enjoy eating every bite of it. I hope that you will try making this yourself. Happy snacking, and I hope that you'll join me again to do some other fun snacks.